You know that feeling when you open something so good, you almost don't want to share it? Yeah, this is that. This is the Kitsch Advent Calendar that everyone is talking about, but no one can keep in stock. And I've got it. I'm gonna open up every single day of this calendar so you can see what's really inside before it's gone. But fair warning, you may end up ordering it before the video is over. Just come back when you're done. This may be the prettiest Advent calendar I've ever seen. Let's find out if it's as pretty inside as it is outside. I have not touched any of this. I have no idea what's in here. We're gonna learn together. It's really nice and big. I've also never been more excited to open an Advent calendar. Look at how pretty it is. Wow. Let's start with day one. These are amazing. Reusable. I don't know what I'm gonna reuse this for, but I cannot bear to throw it away. I even have my Santa Claus scissors. When I go festive, I go festive. Well, how cute is this? This is a scalp and hair oil applicator. Look at how cute this is. What? I love it. I was not expecting this. Okay, that's day one. I would say day one is a success. Day two. Pretty, very nice and shiny, great quality, thick. I like it. I would like it better if it were Christmas themed, but it's pretty cute. Day three, what's in here? It's a big one. Above all else, I want to get the hair perfume. It's the thing I'm most excited to get. I hope there's some in here. I have no idea what's in here, none whatsoever. We're going to be surprised together at every single thing. This is their shampoo, rosemary and biotin. I've been wanting to try this solid shampoo. Oh, and it's volumizing. Woo woo! I need volume for stronger, fuller looking hair. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it smells amazing. Look, it's so cute. Well, this is my favorite so far. I love the scent. I love that it's volumizing. It's perfect for me. Moving on to 4. This is the conditioner. I've got the whole set. Woohoo! Oh, it's cute. It's a little different. The texture on this one is different. Still smells good though. Same amount of smelling good. It's a little sticky on the back, whereas the other one was more solid. Very, very cute. I'm excited to try the shampoos. Okay, about to move on to number 5. I would say of those, the shampoo and conditioner are my favorite. Now we're ready for 5. What do you think so far? Do we like what we've been getting? Scalp and hair oil, which is gonna go perfectly with the little thingy we got for number 1. This is a pre-wash, and you can use it to hydrate your hair and boost the shine of your hair with rosemary and biotin. It smells just like the shampoo. Okay, number 6, little cute one. I love that they all come wrapped in this tissue. Makes it so much more festive, and then each one is individually wrapped. This is fantastic. Moving on to number 6. Oh, I love them. I will definitely be wearing these. Absolutely love these. They're bobby pins. I'm not the greatest at wearing bobby pins, but I think these are gorgeous. I am going to probably, I will probably wear these with my Christmas pictures. I love them. Got a new favorite. Number 6 is now my favorite. Disappointed that I haven't seen any hair perfume, and I'm crossing my fingers that I get some. 7. Oh, I love these. I wear these different, not Kitsch, but I have several of these. Wood, I've got a plastic one. I love this. Gold is not my favorite color to wear at all. I wish that was silver, but I definitely like it. Very pretty. These make doing hair on a day when you don't have any time and your hair bothers you. You just stick it up in one of these things and you're good to go. Adds a little elegance to a ponytail. And that's how I feel about it. 6 is still my favorite. Which one Which one is your favorite so far? 8. Silk pillowcase. The only thing that would be better is if it were pink, because I love my pink silk. This is nice. This is literally shut me up because the quality on this is fantastic. It's got a great zipper and it's hidden. You cannot have a silk pillowcase without a good zipper. This is lovely, very soft. Sleeping with the silk pillowcase is fantastic. So if you've never done it, you're in for a treat. Have to admit, I was a little bit worried when I opened the first couple ones. I began thinking, ooh, I was beginning to think maybe it cost more than what it was worth, but now I'm seeing that no, it isn't. I'm getting all the things I've wanted to get from Kitsch lately and just haven't. You can grab this calendar on Advent, but only if you promise to open it slower than I did. Don't open it all at once. Make the Christmas season last a little bit longer. I'm calling it now Best Advent Calendar of 2025. This is your sign to treat yourself before December gets here. I'll have it linked for you below. When you use my links, it's a way to support my channel at no extra cost to you, and I really appreciate it. 9. I'm very pleased so far, but still haven't seen the perfume. Bar saver bag? Ah, okay, you put your shampoo in this so that the water in the shower doesn't turn it to mush. How cute. That's nice. I like that. The little bag is cute. It's a nice mesh bag. Really good quality. I probably wouldn't have bought that for myself even if I had the shampoo bars, but I can appreciate that they have it. 10. I'm sad that we only have 3 left. A bag for the conditioner. Boo. This is a fun color at least. I get it. It's handy. It's just not something I was looking forward to. It's fine though. Everything can't be a home run. That's gonna look cute in the shower. I will give them that. And it's gonna protect the shampoo, so I can appreciate it. I can appreciate it, doesn't mean I'm excited about it. 11. Oh no, there's only 1 left. Oh, that's lovely. This is very, very pretty. Such great quality. Wow. This is unfortunately for someone with very long hair. I do not have long hair. I have short hair. No, I don't. It's not that I don't have long hair. It's that I have super, super thin hair. And so it won't work for my hair. But I do have a teenage daughter with very curly hair, very thick, very long. We'll see if she wants it. I think it's beautiful and I would definitely wear it if it would stay in my hair. I just don't think it will. That's gorgeous though. And the final one, the biggest, hopefully the best. We've made it to the end. I don't think I'm getting my perfume. What do you think this is? Well, fantastic. I'm actually pretty excited about these ponytails because I lost my ponytail that I use every single day, and that was sad. I think these are really cute, comfy, soft ponytails, terry cloth, but I have something gross on mine. That makes me very, very sad because now I have to wash a ponytail before I even get to wear it. However, the quality on these are amazing. They're very tight, but not so tight that it's gonna cut into your hair. It's not that kind of a ponytail. These are very, very cute. That's super weird that one was dirty. Maybe I had something on my hands when I touched it, but I don't think so. I guess it could have been from putting the shampoo bar into the bag. I don't know. So what do you think? Do you think the value is worth the objects, the items? Part of opening these advent calendars is the excitement, knowing you have something to look forward to each day, getting to try a few new things. I love this. There were a few things that I felt kind of flat, but overall, I think this is amazing. The box itself is beautiful. All the products are top notch. Loved it. I will have this linked below. Whenever you buy something from me, it's a way for you to support my channel at no extra cost to you. We're going to judge it based on 5 metrics. The first one, is it suitable for mature routines? And I'm going to say yes, 5 stars for mature routines. I didn't see anything about it that would make me think that it's better for younger hair or people or human beings because it's going to work great on mature hair. There was nothing that would make it not. Number 2, is it quality? I'm going to go with 5 stars for this one because it is absolutely quality. The hair clips and whatnot were thick, beautiful. They look like they'll last a really long time. They won't break easily. The shampoo is made with ingredients that are easy to understand and how they work in your hair. So everything that I saw was absolutely amazing quality. Are they usable? The next number 3 is, are they usable? I'm gonna only be able to give it a 3 for that because it's not going to be usable for everybody. For instance, the hair clip was giant and it's not gonna go in thin hair. You don't have to have young hair, but it is a common attribute in menopausal women that our hair is thinned out quite a bit. And plus I have super fine hair. That clip is not staying in my hair. So unfortunately, I can only get a 3 for that. Number 4, did it make me feel pampered? And I'm gonna go with 5 stars for that. Opening each day was so much fun. It felt extravagant. It felt like a special occasion. And if you're gonna open them every day, that's exactly what it's gonna feel like every day. And the 5th one is going to be, would I buy it again, all things considered, next year for 2026? And I'm gonna go with 4 stars for this one because I did love it. I'm very happy with most of the products I got, but it didn't have everything I wanted. And so at that price point, I might hesitate the littlest bit before I made the decision. In the end, I probably would buy it again, but I would hesitate and look around and see what else there is before I bought it. The total score for the Kitsch Advent Calendar is 4.4, which is pretty good. Also, it's the first beauty one I've done. Don't forget, I'll have this linked for you below. If you're interested in getting yourself one or you want to see what it's all about, just click that link.